Take a look at this beautifully laid out and designed infographic. It really is nice. And as far as the ideas go, look at this. Another position with your current employer. We have a student in Face-to-Face that took an internship with Koch Industries in Wichita and was offered a job, and she accepted it. She will go to work for them when she graduates the end of this academic year. At Koch Industries, as I've read and she confirmed, if you really don't like what you're doing, you can go and discuss it with your boss, and they'll find you something else to go to. And I like this, just take the plunge. I know it's difficult. I've personally done it many times, and I know at my age now I'm not going to probably take the plunge unless it's retirement.